Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Taobao account without a Chinese phone number. If you want to create a Taobao account but do not have a Chinese phone number, do not worry. Firstly, you need to open your Taobao app. And from here what you need to do is you need to go to your profile icon in the bottom right. So over here it will ask you to sign in or sign up. So in order to create an account, you need to simply select this icon here on the middle and you need to follow the instruction. You need to select this orange icon and you'll get into this interface. You need to simply type down your phone number and select this orange icon here. And after that, you'll get a code. What you need to do is you need to simply type down the code over here. And after that, and you need to follow the on-screen instruction. Taobao will send a one-time verification code to your phone by SMS and enter the code when prompted to verify your number. And once your phone number has been verified, and that is how you can create a Taobao. And that is how you create a Taobao account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.